The hydraulic bottle jack is an easier way to lift a vehicle for tire changing purposes or any other purposes for that matter. Compared to the standard scissor jack that comes with a vehicle, the hydraulic bottle jack is a breath of fresh air. Today, I'm going to show you how to use one correctly. First things first, before attempting to lift the vehicle, be sure to firmly engage the parking brake and do not forget to choke the opposite farthest wheels with anything you've got. Chokes, wood, rocks or anything to stop the vehicle from rolling either backwards or forward when you are in the process of jacking up the vehicle. Done with the choking process, be sure to slack the lug nuts off the wheel you are interested in taking off. If your desire is to attend to a flat tire or simply take off the wheel for whatever reason. The lug nuts are usually slacked by counterclockwise action. The next step is to determine the appropriate jacking points for your vehicle. These are reinforced points from which the vehicle can be safely lifted. If you are not sure where these points are on your model, consult the owner's manual. With the accurate jacking point established, make certain that the release valve of the hydraulic bottle jack is properly screwed in. This can be achieved by using the serrated indent of the jack handle and firmly turning the release valve clockwise till it is firmly stuck in position. With the release valve carefully closed in, position the hydraulic bottle jack under the vehicle, making sure that its bearing pad is centered squarely on the vehicle's jacking point at the side you are interested in lifting up. Next, insert the jack handle into the socket of the jack and move it up and down. This movement will cause the jack's hydraulic ram to rise out and above, effectively lifting the vehicle to enable you achieve whatever it is that you need to have the vehicle up. If you are jacking up a truck, CUV or large SUV with enough ground clearance, you can extend the lift height of the hydraulic jack by extending its extension screw prior to starting the jack-up procedure. This can be achieved by firmly grasping the bearing pad and turning it counterclockwise till the desired adjustable height is achieved. Done with whatever it is that you need the vehicle up for, the procedure for releasing the hydraulic bottle jack is simple. Simply use the indented part of the handle and turn the release valve counterclockwise slowly. This action begins the process of bringing down the extended part of the jack, the hydraulic ram, and extension, if extended, back into the filler plug. With it also any weight that it was responsible for taking up, which in your case is your vehicle. If you extended the extension screw up a few inches, now is the time to tuck it back in by turning it clockwise till you can remove the jack from under the vehicle. Before keeping the jack away, don't forget to firmly screw back the release valve clockwise to prepare it for next use. If you enjoyed this DIY themed video, be sure to like and share the video. If you want to see more DIY action as this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss any of the action. If you have a question, I'll be happy to address it in the comments below. Until next time, keep wrenching.